Hello friends, welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Today we will be reading the advanced version of the book. Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between snowy hills and frozen lakes, lived best friends Shane and Sandy. Each year, they looked forward to their favorite season, winter. One cold afternoon, while Shane and Sandy were walking home from school, talking about their day, Shane said to Sandy,
"I sure hope we get a snow day tomorrow."
Sandy laughed and said,
"Me too."
That moment, Shane held out his hand as a snowflake fell into his mitten. They each walked separately into their own houses, waving bye to each other and screaming, "See you tomorrow!" Sandy walked in and played with her dog Philip. Philip was a French bulldog who loved the holidays and most of all snow. It was time for dinner and Sandy sat down to eat pizza with her family. They talked and shared stories about their day. Sandy told her mommy, "I am manifesting a snow day." Her mommy said, "Okay, baby, manifest me a day to work from home." Sandy excused herself from the table to do her homework. As she sat at her desk, her mind raced with fun adventures of her snow day. The next morning, Sandy leaped out of her bed and dashed to her window to look outside. She screamed in excitement when she saw the snow-covered streets, cars, and houses. Sandy ran downstairs to her mommy, hoping to hear the good news. Her mommy was reading a book in the living room when Sandy came running to greet her. "Mommy," she exclaimed, "please tell me the good news." Mommy jumped up and raised her hands and screamed, "It's a snow day!" They danced together in the living room with the music playing their favorite song. Sandy ran back to her room to find her tablet so she could call Shane. She called him on video chat and she asked him if he had heard the wonderful news. Shane and Sandy erupted into joyful cheers, their laughter ringing through the air. The town, now blanketed in snow, awaited their boundless energy and mischievous antics. Before embarking on their snowy adventures, Shane could not resist the idea of adding a touch of warmth to their frosty day. He invited Sandy over to his house for some hot chocolate magic before they conquered the snow. Sandy arrived at Shane's house, and as she entered the kitchen, her eyes lit up with delight as the rich aroma of hot cocoa filled the air. They giggled while trying to measure the perfect amount of marshmallows. The clinking of mugs echoed their excitement as they sipped the steaming concoction, the sweet taste of chocolate adding to the joy of the start of the wonderful snow day ahead. Fueled by the warmth of friendship and hot chocolate, Shane and Sandy bundled up even more, ready to turn their town into a snowy playground of laughter and memories. The duo's first mission was an epic snowball fight where forts were built and giggles turned into full-blown laughter. Shane and Sandy led their team to victory, leaving the opposing side covered in fluffy snow. But the day held more surprises. In a forgotten corner of the garage, Shane and Sandy discovered an old sled, triggering an idea for the ultimate sled race. They ran to the nearest hill and found some friends to race. The competition was fierce, but Shane's daring maneuvers and Sandy's expert steering put them in the lead. As they raced down the steepest hill, their laughter merged with the crisp winter air, creating a symphony of joy. Shane and Sandy took the win, and they all jumped for joy. At the end of their day, Shane and Sandy marveled at the delicate snowflakes, their friendship deepening amid the beauty of nature. They built forts together, creating a snowy refuge that became their secret hideaway. Even the family dog Philip came outside to play in the snow and fort. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the winter landscape, Shane and Sandy, along with their friends, gathered to bid farewell to the magical snow day. Tired but happy, they exchanged smiles, grateful for the shared adventures that had filled their hearts. The town nestled under a starry sky. Shane and Sandy drifted off to sleep, dreams filled with more snowy escapades dancing in their heads. The magic of "It's a snow day" had not only transformed the town into a winter wonderland, but had also etched a tale of enduring friendship, laughter, and the beauty of a day spent with those who make it truly special. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!